Good morning. Here's the latest from the market open. In the UK, the FTSE100 rose 0.09% to 10,377.29. Across Europe, the CAC 40 slipped 0.07% to 8,183.34, while Germany's Drax gained 0.05% to 25,104.7. In the US, markets were firmer, with the Nasdaq up 0.33% and the S&P 500 ahead by 0.31%. In company news, EasyJet said reported takeover interest from a US investment firm would be highly opportunistic, suggesting management believes the airline's valuation does not reflect its prospects. Meanwhile, power generator Drax has agreed a £548 million acquisition of Bluefield Solar Income Fund, expanding its renewable energy footprint and generation capacity. Against sterling, the pound strengthened modestly against the US dollar, euro, Swiss franc, Japanese yen and Australian dollar, while Bitcoin fell 1.07% to 54,129.6. In commodities, copper gained 1.04% and gold declined 0.77%. Brent crude rose 2.37% amid Middle East tensions, and natural gas added 0.71%. That's your market open. I'm Fiona Craig. Have a great day.